This is Nimratanveer, and here is my Project-0 search that was provided by Web Programming with Python and JavaScript from Harvard X. And after my introduction, here is my GitHub name Nimratanveer077, and here is my project. So we were asked to create a Google homepage like this, with a search bar with rounded corners and input field. I also provided the rounded corners to the input field, and here are two buttons, Google search and I'm feeling lucky. So when I enter a query like Harvard and click on Google search, it would take me to the Google search. And I'm feeling lucky button is working same as it is used to work in the Google actual homepage. It takes to the lucky page provided by the Google. And then here are two buttons on the top right corner as specified in the project description. The image would take to a home page where we have a search bar. On entering everything like Harvard and image search, it would take us to the image search of regarding query. And then in the advanced, I have described 4 fields. This is designed by me, and on entering anything like slug, I would be taken to the respective description, and search would be happening alongside. Well, these are the buttons. We can go back, we can go forward, and all 3 pages are linked with each other as specified in the description. And that's all for now. Thank you.